Home remedies for dry socket. Experts do not know the exact cause of this. However, bacterial infection, bone and tissue trauma during tooth extraction, and a small piece of bone remaining in the wound after extraction are some of the possible causes. Here are the top home remedies for dry socket. 1. Clove oil. Clove oil has proven to be an effective treatment for dry socket. Its anesthetic and analgesic properties help reduce the throbbing pain that makes it difficult to even move your head. Method: dip a small cotton swab in clove oil. Place the swab in the socket for 1 minute. Remove the swab and rinse your mouth with warm water. Do this a few times throughout the day. 2. Cold compress. Pain in the jaw and cheek is common among those suffering from dry socket. A cold compress is a tried and tested remedy that you can easily use at home to alleviate pain. The cold temperature has a numbing effect on the nerves, which reduces pain. Method: dip a thin towel in cold water and wring out the excess water. Place the cold towel on your face and the area where you are experiencing pain. Hold it there for about 15 minutes. Repeat 4 or 5 times a day for 2 days. After 2 days, switch to warm compresses to help decrease pain and swelling. 3. Saline water rinse. Gently rinsing your mouth with warm salt water 24 hours after a tooth extraction is highly effective at preventing dry socket. The warmth of the solution will help reduce pain and swelling, while the salt will help prevent any infection. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of table salt in a glass of warm water. Stir it well, so that the salt fully dissolves in the water. Use this solution to rinse your mouth gently, 2 or 3 times a day. 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that can be used to heal conditions like dry socket. It can even prevent infection of the tooth and gums if impurities get stuck where raw bone is exposed. Method: dip a cotton swab in water to moisten it. Put 1 or 2 drops of tea tree essential oil on it. Gently press the swab against the area where the dry socket has developed. Wait 5 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this 2 or 3 times daily as needed. 5. Black tea bags. You can even use black tea bags to reduce the pain caused by a dry socket. The tannic acid present in the tea bag works like a natural antibiotic and helps reduce pain and swelling. Method: immerse a tea bag in a cup of hot water. After 5 minutes, remove and squeeze out the excess water. Put the tea bag in the refrigerator for 15 minutes and set the tea aside to cool down. Next, place the cold tea bag on the dry socket. Bite down on the tea bag with your mouth.